Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope, microscope.
Welcome back to Microscope Show. Brent.
Hi, I'm Brent.
And I'm Doug.
And look at you wearing your Microscope Show t-shirt. How about that, huh?
It's a one-of-a-kind shirt, but maybe they'll be for sale one day.
And you know what? It looks like you're an employee of the Microscope Show, and this is where you work here.
I basically am an employee. So what do you got for us? Do you want to look at something
I
first?
just want to look at a couple quick things, or even just one, you know. I was always wondering, what does a vinyl jacket fabric look like up close? Right? I mean, we've seen stuff like this. We've seen stuff like this. But what about something a little bit like this? Let's take a look.
That's vinyl?
Or whatever it is. What is it?
Nylon.
Nylon or something. Is it nylon? Let's see. What do you reckon it is? Nylon? See, this is interesting. This is interesting to me because, wow, that is weird. See? Isn't that weird? Weird, right? It's stitched.
It's it's woven.
So this thing, it doesn't even look woven, but I guess if you look close, you can see that it is woven. But
On the naked, it doesn't look like much.
this is, by the way,
It's like a smooth. Can I read what does that say?
Oh, good.
It'll
good.
say what it's made out of right there.
You're right. The shell, it's a nylon. You're right, nylon. That's what I meant. I meant nylon.
I'm usually right.
Oh, of course. This is polyester inside. But
Vinyl.
no, I meant nylon. Everybody knows I meant nylon. But this is a windbreaker, just sort of a classic sort of coach jacket, security jacket. And I just thought, what does that look like up close? Nylon. It's stitched. It looks like a basket.
Why don't you look on the inside of it?
You mean the polyester?
The inside. That looks like more haphazardly woven, but it looks woven. There's fibers all over
Wow,
that side.
it's
too.
interesting because it looks, the fibers look plasticky, kind of, huh?
Why don't you look at one of the buttons?
All right, I will do. I just want to see what. So that's 100% polyester on the side. Now the buttons look a little. This is the back of the button. What the heck? Wow. That's the back of the button. Look at that. What is in there?
What if there's a little
This side.
a little bug in each one?
Right. That would be.
Oh, it's like it's basically a hollow button.
Right. This is this side of the button. This is the snap. This
Right.
is the
So there's
the
nothing
male
in-
the
there's-
male side of the button, I guess.
There's nothing in there.
Let's see what the other buttons look like. This is the side of the button that. Oh, it doesn't even look like anything. This
Well,
is
that's just a shiny plastic tip. It's the back of the button. The part that shows
yeah.
to the outside is just a flat surface.
Right, but look at that. It's you can kind of see that it's been used a lot because it's sort of scratched up. We'll see the other side. The other side will not be see-through. So that's the other side of the button.
Is that all the way on the edge?
It's on the side. Well,
Look at all the way on the edge. I feel like we're not seeing the edge yet.
the edge of
See,
the button.
That's the real edge. That silver part. That's the part that clamps into there,
Right.
and then you can see the nylon.
Let's see if we can see the seam or something of where that. See, you can kind of see in there. So
Well,
anyway, it's a little something. There's the nylon jacket.
Brent's jacket. There you go.
That's interesting. That's just a little something.
That's a little something
Just a
else you're
little
gonna
something.
find on Microscope Show. When
That's
you
just-
look a little closer, there's a whole world of textures and landscapes of interesting visuals when you look close enough, right, Brent?
Put her there. See you next time.
See you next week on Microscope Show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.